Ebusia. Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Ebusia, this is your humble servant right here on this platform. Top Gossip 24. Ushamia. Now, Ebusia, what bombardi alpha pen. Now, alpha paper. Now, I trade your go. Fila. Ooh, fila. Now, only media tia sama. We are cooking. Ebusia, nyabotena transe na fila no ebiaba. The filler is this. Where is Chukwudi Jude Ehinetu? Simple question. Where is he? Now, Busha, we've been doing a lot of diggings of late, and we've been doing a lot of checking, background check and stuff like that, back and forth. I told you guys, I said, anytime this man move between the airport, Kotoka International Airport, filler need there means I can't there be. And I can tell you, say he's working on a couple of things. The last time I told you, say now he has actually changed his strategy into going into what do you call Facebook market. But that does not end there, Ebusha. According to the filler I've received, there's something cooking and there's something he's planning to do. And let me just put this across whilst I warn people out there. Because number one, this is somebody who have been calling himself Igbo King in Ghana. He's been calling himself an ambassador in Ghana. He has a website that is still running out there on his page that have not changed. Now he came to lie to everybody that he has changed his name to Inedu, whatever he call it. Also, when you go back to his page, those things have not been changed. Everything is there. Okay, everything is there. So he is just throwing dust into the eyes of the ordinary Ghanaian and to seek people to forgive him and all that. But we are here to tell you the filler, the reason why we are here. Now, I have other videos I'll show you, okay? 3 Nigerians that were arrested, actually, or were found in Côte d'Ivoire. As I said, what they are doing in Côte d'Ivoire. 3 girls. As I said, what they are doing in Côte d'Ivoire. One of them, the story is very, very sad. The other one is very, very funny. But I'll show you those 3 videos. Or I'll show you those 2 videos, including one Nigerian guy who was complaining about something that happened a while ago about Ghanaians. Yes, it was street so on so be can one can ye afedi ebusia niama e she is now begging. Under the begging comments, so I'll show you all this video, and then after that, I'll come and tell you what Chukwudi Jude Ehinetu is up to in Ghana. And then I would warn you people and warn everybody who want to go and do that thing he's planning to do in August. TME in August. This is another strategy. So stay and listen to me carefully. Let's go and watch all the videos, and then we'll be back and come and continue from here.
You say what's your name?
Annabelle.
Huh?
Annabelle.
Open mouth and speak. Annabelle, where are you from?
Delta State.
Huh?
Delta State.
Delta State.
Yes.
You know your local government?
No.
You don't know your local government? You know your father? You know your village name?
Yes.
What is your village name?
Unyamuge.
Unyamuge. Inyamude. That is your village. Okay. Your father still there alive?
Yes.
Your mother there alive?
Yes.
They know you are here in Abidjan? They know you are here in Abidjan? No. They don't know. Okay. So, can you identify your madam?
Yes.
Can you identify her? You have her number?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. So, you know the place they take you come here?
I know the place, but I don't know the name.
The name. You don't know the name of this place? That is the main issue. So as you can see, you guys, so they call me for phone that is strangers here. One girl, Nigerian girl in Côte d'Ivoire. So they brought her here for prostitute and she refused to do it, and they chased her away from the home. So that is the reason why we are here now. So my brothers and sisters, I hope you people can share this video to reach out to her family over there. She says she's from Delta State, right? Yeah, so she says she's from Delta State. Where are you from? Where are you from? Calabar. Do you know your people? Your father is dead. Your mother is dead. You don't know anybody. Huh? Who bring you for Côte d'Ivoire? Your friend bring you for Côte d'Ivoire. What's your name? Hello? It's not talking. I can't hear you. Hello? How are you? Do you know your friend is she's sick? So why you people leave her like this when she's sick? Huh? She end the call? She's your friend. Is she the one that bring you Abidjan?
No.
She's not the one. But you know the girl that bring you? Huh? Let me call another person. Who is Kinechi?
Yes.
Nashi. Yeah, hello? Where are they? You there where? So you say where she there? You came there. Yes. But why you guys leave her when she's sick to come Abidjan? Why you people do not take her to hospital? Huh? You say? But when she's nearly to die, you people cannot take her to hospital. Why can't you run and leave you people? Can't you see people? You people see that she's very sick. They do what? Blood. But but why you people still leave her in this way? You people, we are taking her to hospital now. If there is needed, we will call you people to send money. We are taking her to hospital. You people is in WhatsApp, right? We will snap her and send to you when we get there.
Please, I made this video that is playing here, okay? And 10 gossip, use it for a reaction video, okay? Please, to everybody, I am sorry, okay? I did not mean to insult Ghanaians, and I did not say that there is no law in this country. If you listen to what I said very well, I did not say that there is no law, but I don't want to bring it, okay? I just want everybody to let it go, please. I just want you guys to let it go. Please, 10 gossip, please. Also help me to use this one for a reaction a video, okay? That I am apologizing, okay? This is an apology letter. I have made 2. This one is making it 3. I am sorry, okay? I promise I will not make such video again. And you said that we don't know our boundaries. Please, if there is any boundary that we should know more, maybe Nigerians that should know more, should let us know, okay? Please, I'm sorry. Please, guys, good afternoon.
All right, Busiana, I believe that you guys watch the videos. Very good. Now, I want you guys to listen to me carefully, because after you watch the video, there I will give you the filler about that. You see those 2 girls that were found in La Côte d'Ivoire. Somebody sent them out there to go and do prostitution, ashawo, and now they are not able to contain them, and now they are sitting outside. What a country! A country that people can be very wicked, taking young girls to go to some other countries to go and do a shower, and they leave them to sit by the roadside outside in La Côte d'Ivoire. It took a good Samaritan to go fetch that lady. One of them was very sick. I'm telling you, if any Nigerian blogger will ever say something without even saying it about Ghana, me as I sit here, I'll come in and I'll come and deal with it, because at the end of the day, they have to check and cross-check and deal with their issues before they come and talk about Ghana at all. Because some of them, they think that they are so smart, and in as much as some of us are like, we don't care whether you report our videos, we don't care whether our videos don't go anywhere. Look, I will tell you the thing, we don't sugarcoat anything like other Ghanaian bloggers are. They are doing this because they want to make the numbers. I don't want to mention them. They know themselves. Some of them, they want to just sugarcoat things because they feel like they want to, you can go ahead and report us for that matter. We will want to make sure we state our position. Our position is clear. We are about to reveal, undercover, bring everything out. Send a bear here the way paper. So that has to do with the Côte d'Ivoire situation. Now, let me talk about the lady, the one that is begging 10 gossip, that 10 gossip to come and do blah blah blah. Now, before you are begging, and asking Ghanaians to come and do any other things. I believe that you guys check the comment section. Now, in the comment section, we should have now, TME, young comment section, that place, and I will be Hunyama air course, the comment section. Maybe I'll come and tell you what Chukwudeju Ehinetu is up to in Ghana in August. We'll be right back.
Please, I made this video that is playing here, okay? And 10 gossip, use it for a reaction video, okay? Please, to everybody, I am sorry, okay? I did not mean to insult Ghanaians, and I did not say that there is no law in this country. If you listen to what I said very well, I did not say that there is no law, but I don't want to bring it, okay? I just want everybody to let it go, please. I just want you guys to let it go. Please, 10 gossip, please. Also help me to use this one for a reaction video, okay? That I am apologizing, okay? This is an apology letter. I have made 2. This one is making it 3. I am sorry, okay? I promise I will not make such video again. And you said that we don't know our boundaries. Please, if there is any boundary that we should know more, maybe Nigerians that should know more, should let us know, okay? Please, I'm sorry. Please.
All right, guys. Now, I believe that you guys saw that video also. Very well. Now, good. This is what I'm talking about. The comment section, very hot. Now, I need you guys to share this video at this material moment, because if you've watched me from the beginning of this video and you are still watching me, it means that you are keen in hearing what Chukwudeju Ehinetu is about to do in Ghana in the month of August. 3 days, 4 days from now, he's planning to do something. Launching is another strategy he want to use. If you're a Ghanaian listening to me, please do not go for anything from this man, because he is going to use people that will come and buy that thing. After they buy that battery that he's talking about, he's now going to sugarcoat everything on his site to be a distributor of that thing. And then after that, you see what is going to happen. He will use that one as a leeway of doing his own thing and now be fronting himself in Ghana. Let me use this opportunity to tell every Ghanaian, please don't show up there. Whatever he want to do in August, just ignore it. Let it pass by. Don't even go. Let me just also say that if you're a Ghanaian and you went there and you have any trouble at that launching, so launching up, so you know, a plan, a strategy. I'm calling on every meaningful Ghanaian. A strategy. We shouldn't allow him launch that thing in August. We will not allow him launch it. So guys, please, or launch it when you feel crying. We have to find a means to counter it, because he is using that one as a catalyst to penetrate and to show to the other world that he's doing business in Ghana. Only business be here or Ghana. Everything he's doing has come to a standstill. The last time it was a Facebook market. Oh yeah. I know I'm called Ekosiaga. Sisiadi Osibache and Odibagana. So I'm telling you people, if you're a Ghanaian, don't patronize him on this. TME, if you're a Ghanaian, because we do sika ko shema ebeshe. If we do sika ko eden ekoshema ebeshe. TME. So that is another strategy he's using, because we who say you're blocking on ewo baby you're blocking. Now he's coming up with another strategy in the name of going to go and lie to people and bring a lot of business into Ghana. Then later on, the name of Ghana will be flying out there. If you know how to do business, Mr. Chukwudeju Ehinetu, send it back to your country. At least in your country, you guys have a lot of cars than Ghana. Guys, remember, subscribe to this page. That's the name. Pure Echo.